welcome back again. Hey beautiful people, welcome back again. Thank you for tuning in. See that your baby girl BBG. I love you, I love you, I love you. Please guys, as you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna tune my face. I'm using my face cleaner and just finished with my monthly cycle. So when you are on your monthly cycle, you know, some pimples, those stubborn pimples, I don't need it on my face, because my face is one of the best. Like, in fact, my face all over my body, I love my body so much. So I'm gonna tune it so that these very pimples, I will get rid of it in the next few days. Maybe the next 2 days these pimples will disappear, because I need to use it morning and evening for me to get rid of this acne. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Vicky Menga. Why not contact Vicky Menga? In case you want to shine and glow like Bianca, it's not that you are gonna white and disappear. No. Our cream is just so natural. So contact Vicky Menga as we go direct to the business. And at the same time, for the Vicky Menga contact, just visit my page and other of my video. You will have it, or I can just recite it or add it to the screen if I have the opportunity, because I'm here trying to spread so close like the laundry, and at the same time my lip gloss. We are gonna pop in our lip gloss. As we pop in the lip gloss, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for coming, and I'm gonna showcase the hair to you right now, guys. Oh, she was just like, look at my teeth, my coffee teeth. But I love my coffee teeth. Yeah, self-love matters a lot. So this very hair, guys. This is the new hair that we are about to use mousse to hold it. I'm gonna show you guys how to use mousse to hold your hair, to make the braid like stick tight and beautiful and shine. Okay, so the first thing to do on this video right away is just for me to bring out my mousse. I'm using Volo 5. Okay, in case you need it, you can go to any supermarket, any drugstore, any superstore, and you can get it. Okay guys, so this very mousse right away. So this very mousse here, this mousse is very strong and iron volume. Okay guys, so this is what interruption, sorry for the interruption, not these kids. So as I was saying, I'm gonna use it to rub all the hair all over. Okay, the hair needs to be like a little bit strong, shine, and yeah, that is just it. And moisturize. Okay, when you moisturize your hair, it's very nice and okay, and it will stay the more. Okay, so I'm using the mousse to rub it, and I'm using Volo 5 of the mousse. Okay, because I love the Volo 5 because it's very nice. It do hold my hair very well. So that is what I'm using right away, like using the mousse to hold it the more. Okay, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe as you enjoy the video. Thank you. Hey beautiful people, whenever you are doing these things, make sure you massage it very well, just the way that I'm massaging my massage it very well. Not like you are going to use all your strength, but just make sure you massage it just the way you normally do massage your baby or your husband. Okay, so that is how to massage it, so that the thing will stay very well, and your wig, your braids, I mean to say, will be very nice and very well mousse. Okay, you know, when I say mousse, like the mousse will go inside very well. Make sure you massage it and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe as you watch. Thank you.